Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As already announced in the first part, I was in La Palma and I was able to do the second test of the Dwarf 3. Unfortunately, I had some cloudy nights, so I was able to take only 4 pictures. Furthermore, we are currently in summertime and unfortunately there are not so many interesting nebulas that I would have liked to photograph. Nevertheless, I tried to photograph the best I could and I would like to share the various results with you. As I already showed in the first part, it's very easy to set up the Dwarf 3. You connect the app to the telescope, select the object, and thanks to the automatic go-to function, the Dwarf 3 finds the object directly and starts to photographing it. The first object I wanted to photograph was a lagoon nebula in the Milky Way. I took a total exposure time of 34 minutes and this was the first result. Now you have the option to editing the image directly in the app. After an automatic processing, this was the result. That wasn't bad at all. After I made some manual adjustments, I got this result. You also have the option to remove the stars. This is the result that the app has produced. After small read adjustments, I got this picture, and I am sure that it can still be significantly improved in Lightroom or Serial, but for the first editing in the app, I'm impressed. As a second object, I choose the North America nebula. For this nebula, I choose an exposure time of 6 hours, and I think that was too long because there are some image errors after stacking. Here is the raw result without any processing. As you can see, especially in the image corners have various image errors. After the automated processing in the app, the result looks even worse. After that, I deleted the automatic image and did the noise reduction and star removal manually. And the result looks much better. After manual editing, I got this result, which was quite surprising at the end. What do you think? I choose the Whale Nebula as my third object. For this nebula, I also choose an exposure time of 6 hours. As you can see, the first result is not bad. After a noise reduction and a few manual adjustments, I got this result. After that, I tried to use the star removal in the app and I didn't get a good result. As you can see here, there are some blurring and artifacts in the image that I can't explain. After that, I tried to do the noise reduction in image via the app and also the star removal, and I got an image that was similarly bad. As you can see here, there are squares everywhere in the image. Any of you have ever had these strange results after imaging processing in the app? Please write it in the comments. It would be interesting to know. Maybe it's the long exposure time because I didn't have these effects with the Lagoon Nebula, where I choose an exposure time of only 34 minutes. I choose a star cluster as my last objects and used an exposure time of 5 hours. Here too, I had image errors in the corners of the finished image, even though all the single images were without errors like the other nebulas. I hope this is just a software error and it will be corrected in the future via a firmware update. After editing, I got this result and in the end of the day, I'm satisfied with the image. Okay, what's my summary now after testing the Dwarf 3? I think it's a great smart telescope that can take professional pictures. It has a good sensor and recognizes deep sky objects directly. However, I had problems with the long exposure times when editing the pictures in the app. In the next few weeks, I will try to put all the single images into Photoshop or another software to see if errors are also displayed there or if it's just a software problem. Nevertheless, the Dwarf 3 has convinced me and I am excited to see what else I can photograph with it in the future. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of the Dwarf 3, and if you are interested to buy one, you can find the link in the description. If you like this video, I would be appreciated if you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please write them in the comments down below. I will try to answer them all. See you next time.